So, for laboratory 23, gagawin naman natin ng EIGRP or ang Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. So, first, configure a loopback address on each router, 1.1.1/32 for R1, 2.2.2/32 for R2, and etc. So, let's make this. So, pag-set ng loopback interface L0, then lagyan lang natin siya ng IP address. So, ganyan lang. Same with R2, R3, and R4. Pati pala R5. So, naset na natin din yung loopback interface sa ibang routers. Gamit ang same commands. Int L0, IP add, sa R5, sa R4, R3, R2. So next, number 2, configure EIGRP on each router and advertise all configured interfaces. Configure the loopback interfaces as passive interfaces and disable auto summary. Start as R1 on each router. Router EIGRP 100. Then network, then 000. Then yung loopback interface naman. So, gagawin nating passive interface ang loopback. Then, no auto summary. Then R2, same. Router EIGRP 100. Network, and it's 0.0.0. Network to that 0.0.0. Ang passive interface L0, no auto summary. R3, router EIGRP 100. Network, event na loopback. Then passive interface L0, no auto summary. Next, R4. Router EIGRP, yung 100 pala AS number. So, dapat same yan sa lahat ng routers. Passive interface. No auto summary. R5. So, tapos na tayo sa number 2. Check natin ang IP route. So, yung mga D, yan yung EIGRP route. So, sa R5, meron siya sa R1, R2, R4, R1, R2, R3, and R4. And ito naman yung mga IP addresses. Then, configure R1 to perform unequal coast loading when sending traffic to R5. So, for number 3, ang command natin dyan ay variance 2. So, ito. Okay na siya. Gigabit Ethernet, tsaka fast Ethernet. So, push IP route. So, yan. Dalawa. Next, configure R3 to advertise 10.10 summary to network 5. So, ano tayo sa R3. Check muna natin ang IP route ng R5. So, ito. Lagyan natin siya ng summary. So, for that, int G00 is connected sa R5. Int G00 IP summary address EIGRP 100.255.0. Dapat pala summary and then network mix. So, check natin sa R5. Do show IP route. So, eto na siya. So, that's it for EIGRP. Thank you.